1 to 3 chicken breasts. We're going to grind it later, but it depends on how much family you have. You're going to need 1 to 2 eggs. 2 eggs. Yeah, 2 eggs. A 1/3 cup of flour, a sprinkle of salt and pepper, a sprinkle of paprika. You're going to need about 1/3 cup of breadcrumbs, and you're going to need some oil, and also you're going to need a pot and a food processor. If you have a grinder, you can definitely use that too. And so what we're going to do first is we're going to cut our chicken. So you guys can cut it big, or you can cut it small. It doesn't really matter what size you cut it, because in the food processor, it's going to grind it down to little bits at the end. Yeah, because my sister's gonna cut it. So basically, what we're cutting it because when you cut it, it's much more easier to process, because it's gonna be a little harder, because like when you have big chicken breasts and you just put it in the food processor and let it like blend by itself, it's just gonna be so hard. But when you cut it into the pieces, it's going to be much more easier for it to blend and process. Okay, so my sister is done. So now we're just going to put all this chicken in the food processor. So it's going to take this. I'm just going to put it all. I put all of my chicken pieces, breast pieces into the food processor. And also if you have a grinder, you can always use that. So now I'm just going to blend it. Okay, so we processed our chicken breast, and it looks like this. So this is when you see it's ready. This is ready. So now my sister's going to put the pepper. No, we're going to put the pepper. Oh, look at that. I'm going to put a little bit of salt. And then my sister's going to mix it. Remember, you have to have clean hands. So wash your hands before you do anything with your hands. Okay, so the thing is that if you guys already have ground chicken or ground beef in your household, you can always use that. So this is a little, you can just do this, but if you have a grinder like I had before, you can always use that. So yeah, this is a very easy lunch and dinner. And/or dinner. Okay. So now I'm just gonna put the paprika in the breadcrumbs. Not a lot of paprika. Oh, wrong way. Thank you, Lizzie. Here, I can raise that. Now I'm gonna put oil in my pot and warm it up. Oh, and now I'm just gonna put this into balls. It doesn't have to be in a perfect shape, but I'm just putting it into balls. I'm just doing it before I put it into the flour, breadcrumb, and eggs. We'll show you later. Put it at about medium-low heat, so Beza can help me. So basically, you want it like this much, and also actually it's your choice because it's your chicken nuggets. So you can make them as big or small as you want, but just don't make them too big, because you want to put multiple chicken nuggets in at once. So if you make a humongous one, it's gonna take a while to make. So yeah. Okay, so I love chicken nuggets so much, right? We love chicken nuggets so much, and I'm really excited to try them homemade, because I tried a lot of chicken nuggets, and it's just I really love cooking. Cooking is very inspirational, because it helps you make it more homemade stuff. And you know what you have in it. So we're gonna see this for later. So now I'm going to coat this with flour. You have to. Oh yeah, sorry. I'm going to flatten it up, and then it's gonna look like this. And then I'm gonna coat it with flour, and then next up I'm going to coat it with egg. And then I'm going to coat it with breadcrumbs. Okay, wow, this looks so good. Oh, I'm so proud of her. I'm so proud. So now we're going to use this technique with the rest of our chicken nuggets. And also, don't forget to press it down, because you don't want to I'm going to just press all of the chicken nuggets down. so you don't forget. I did. I reminded you because when you do it more flat, it's going to cook more on the inside. But if you just make it like a dough, if you make it like a ball and you don't press it flat, it's not going to cook well on the inside, and it's just going to be raw when you eat it. And you don't want it to be raw when you eat it. So it's going to take it and do the same technique over and over again until we run out of this. It's looking good. Okay, so we finished assembling our chicken nuggets, and it looks like this.
So now we're going to fry.
Our oil is warmed up and ready. I'm just going to put it over here, and just going to simply place it. Don't just plop, because it's just the oil is just going to it's just going to plop everywhere, and it stings a lot. I've been there, done that. And then the oil has to be warm before you put it. So it's warm. So I'm just putting it in one by one. Okay. So I just put it in my second batch because I just took out my first batch. So, and it looks like this. Look at my first batch. It looks so awesome. Looking great. So we finished making the chicken nugget, and it looks like this. It looks so awesome, and I'm so excited to try. So now we're gonna taste. Cheersies. It's tender. We give it a 10 out of 10. It tastes so good. It's like so crispy and crunchy, and it cooks so well on the inside. This goes well with any sauces you like to like ketchup, or barbecue sauce, hot sauce, anything. And we hope you try this recipe. It's so good and super easy. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, share all your friends and family, and click on the notification bell below so you don't miss any of our awesome new videos. And if you already have subscribed, we are very pleased and thank you. And don't just watch this video, make it. Send it out to iTunes. Ciao. Bye. We love you guys.